In this video, I will show how to write this phi symbol in Excel. So click on Insert, then Equation. Here you will find this symbol phi. Select it. You can write this symbol using this shortcut /phi and press spacebar one time. Make sure you write slash and in the small letter phi. And you want to write this type of symbol exact, so /var phi. /var phi and press spacebar one time. That's it. Thanks for watching.